mga kamag-anak, kapatid, kapitbahay, kababayan, kaibigan, at kapamilya, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much for your presence here today. Thank you for your help, expressions of your love and concern through prayers and flowers for us, and especially for Mama, who is also Lola Juana Roseng. Allow me to relate to you how we spent our life together during these past 3.5 years after Mama had her heart stroke in August 2006. We prayed daily every morning and evening. Yes, we became more prayerful. Repeatedly, we thanked the Lord for all the blessings He has given us, the gift of a long life, good and not so good health, the love and concerns of our sons and daughters and our grandchildren, the continued support of our brothers and sisters, the daily care ministered to Mama by Linda and Neneng, and the regular monthly blessings we receive through the GSIS, SSS, PBAO, and from the City of Manila. All this made our life very comfortable and easy. Yes, we also repeatedly, paulit-ulit, lifted up to God all our problems, needs, and concerns, particularly the recovery of Mama's health. Many of our petition prayers were answered, especially Mama's death at home in her sleep. We also prayed for the good health of Nana Pining, Nana Aling, Nana Lydia, Nana Nene, Tata Doming, and Ate Puring, Tata Roseng and Ate Maring, Tata Johnny and Nana Pilar, Tommy and Evelyn, Irene and Irma, and all the other relatives and friends. Araw-araw ibinabalita ko kay Mama sa kanya ang mga magagandang pangyayari sa aming buhay. Besides a few, the presence of our sons and daughters, grandchildren, and sons and daughters-in-law at home for the customary family lunch together on Sundays. One of the graces we also keep thanking God for is ang pamanang bigas ni Nina Ama at Ina na pinapadala ni Nana Asuncion at Nana Lydia na door-to-door delivery pa. Nakararating sa aming bahay sa waling-waling sa tulong ni Narufin, Yoni, Lando at si Oliver. At nagpapasalamat din po ako na may gawain pa, na ako po ay may gawain pa at nakakatulong pa sa iba sapagkat consultant ako ni Mayor Alfredo S. Lee. Sa madaling sabi, may katuturan pa po tayo. Mama, as I usually report to you, listen to the happenings today. This parlor is filled with offered wreaths, flowers, and prayers. Here present are our sons and daughters, Tony and Tina, Monching, Tess, Ita, Romy, Karen Allen, Maren Grace, Cecil and Collie, and our grandchildren, Kin and Kindred. Our brothers and sisters, nephews and nieces and other relatives, neighbors, former teachers, kababayans, and the friends and co-workers of our sons and daughters are all here. Salamat sa kanilang pagdalaw at kamay. May misa pa gabi-gabi na inaalay ng Missionaries of Jesus ang mga kasama ni Monsing sa misyon. Our grandchildren participate in the celebration of the Eucharist by singing and reading the Psalms, the prayers, and the first and second readings. Magagaling na silang bumasa, Mama. Hanga ako sa kanila. Our daughters-in-law and son-in-law also render excellent and exceptional services by providing food, drinks, and sweets. Maraming salamat sa kanila. At narinig mo ba, Mama, ang mga reflections, papuri at pasasalamat sa iyo ng ating mga anak at mga apo? Nakakalugod, nakakaiyak, napapaluha ako, pati ang ating mga apo ay napapaluha rin. Lord, please bless and keep Mama, be kind and gracious to her, and grant her peace. All this we ask in the name of Jesus. Dearest Mama, We love you. Mama Gatsby, paalam, Mama. Farewell, Mama.